Hello everyone. This is just a quick introduction to our course, GLS 101. So when you access your course, this is where you will land. This is called the homepage, and it gives you a quick information, and it also has my contact information. So what you have to do each week is to click on modules. You don't have to go anywhere else. So you go to modules, and it opens up to these weekly breakdown. So the first module is just getting started. Few things for you to know: how to navigate Canvas if you've never used Canvas, and some online student support services, which is useful to you. And you can also find your course syllabus here, and some course information, which is what I'm doing right now, and then some information about Zoom etiquette. Even though you are not in a physical classroom, you are in a Zoom classroom. And then I've also got an academic calendar for important dates. And here you will find the course learning outcomes, which will help you to understand which assignments link to which outcome. And then each week it is broken up into a module. So you have week 1, and every week you will have an overview with the key concepts and some tasks to do before the Zoom session. Now, the PowerPoint slides will not be available to you until the very end, because I would like you to read the book and use the classroom discussions. So each week we will have 2 Zoom sessions, one on Tuesday and one on Thursday. And you will see that we do some activities in the class, and then you have some things to do before the next Zoom class. So that'll be the pattern. And then at the end of the week on Thursday, you will see the homework assignments. And this might be a couple more as we move along, because you have time from Thursday to Sunday. So that's when you have to complete your work. So that's how every week is broken down into, and you will see it's the same pattern throughout. Things to do before the Zoom session, and then at the end of the week, homework. I would also like to draw your attention to the final capstone project, and you will see that you will be working towards this project throughout the semester. So it's not a big surprise at the end. So you will start compiling information, do some research. That's why we're bringing a librarian to the class. And then towards the end, you are expected to do a group project and an oral presentation, which you will do as a group, and then a reflection paper. So as you can see, every week you will do something related to that final capstone project. But in week 14 is when you do your group presentation, right? And then in group 15, we complete that and you do the written reflection. So that's pretty much how the course is built, and the topics are from the book, and it ranges from being a global citizen in general to how do we preserve the planet Earth and our own identity, and globally what we can do. So my hope is to work with you together, and as a team we become better global citizens. So I hope you enjoy the next 15 weeks, and welcome to the course.